My name's Orla and I'm from Ireland. I came here today with my family and friends as guests of the Cooperative Bank of Irreechaa. I'm overwhelmed by the amazing feeling of joy from the people, the colours, the vibrancy. It is spectacular to behold. It's wonderful, a wonderful occasion. My husband and my friend have been here before and they said you have to come to Addis. It is an amazing city and Ethiopia is an amazing country. You have to come, you have to experience how wonderful and warm the people are and so friendly. Well, I feel very privileged that I was able to come here today, and I would like to extend a welcome to all Europeans, Americans, people from Asia, all over the world to come to experience what we have today. It is truly phenomenal. You have a beautiful city, a wonderful country and amazing people.